Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd take you along with me today. This could be used as a Super Bowl appetizer. I'm going to be making some walking tacos. We're going to use some ground round. I'm going to use right at a pound. This is 1.5 pounds, and I don't need that much. So I'm going to use about 1 pound of it. I'll put the rest in the fridge. And while this is browning, we're going to cut our onions up. These are going to be so easy to make. I've got some Fritos corn chips is what we're going to use. These came from Walmart. I wanted the little small bags from Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, but they didn't have them in the Fritos. But I'm going to crush mine up too, and I may take some out of mine and Chad's. But you're going to need Frito corn chips, of course, some ground beef. I'm using a packet of taco seasoning, or you can make your own. We're going to use some 4 cheese, Mexican cheese, some sour cream, some sliced jalapenos, and some green onions. Also, I've got some avocado I may add to mine as well. So, this is going to be good, and it's going to be quick, which is what we like around here. Because I babysat today, Chad worked today, I've already done my walk, and I'll cook supper and eat. We'll probably watch some TV, or I'll get my shower and then we'll watch some TV. I also have some editing to do, quite a bit of editing. I edited 2 or 3 videos last night, but I try to stay ahead of it. I'm going to see our grandbaby this weekend, and I want to be able to rest and not think about what I need to get done while I'm gone. So that'll be good. Let me know in the comments, have you ever had a walking taco? It's sort of like chili in a bag that they sell at the concession stand, but this is tacos. I like chili in a bag too. Have you ever had chili in a bag? It's good. It's made with like chili that you use on hot dogs at the concession, and then they'll put like nacho cheese on it. It's really good. Inside of the Frito chips as well. They're really good. But yeah, this will come together really easily. Okay, I'm going to cut my onion up while that is getting ready. Let me get my grease, extra grease out of it. Need all that grease. Get some more paper towels. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 packet of taco sauce. And a little bit of water. You can also add tomatoes and lettuce if you want to. I don't have any, so I'm not going to add that to mine. All right, I've got my bag of Fritos, and I'm just going to start breaking them up. I like mine crushed pretty fine. Like I said, you could do this as a walking taco or chili in the bag with chili and nacho cheese. We're doing ours as a taco. So I've got my chips crushed up in there. I'm going to take this and fold it down. Take my bag. See, I got my bag folded. Go ahead and add my meat. Add in my meat. Turn that burner off. Now I'm going to add my Mexican cheese. So I'm just going to add my cheese down in there. Like that. Add in my cheese. Now I'm going to take my sour cream. I'm getting that pretty full. Add my sour cream. And if you don't want to put sour cream in it, you don't have to. Got my jalapenos. Let's see here. Got me some green onions. And I've got my jalapenos on top. We've got a walking taco. What do you think about that? I think it's pretty neat. And it's absolutely delicious. I hope you give this a try. I think this would be really neat for a Super Bowl appetizer or just a fun meal anytime. It just makes it fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hang out with me. We'll have lots of fun, share lots of cooking, lots of shopping, just lots of fun things. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. God bless. Bye. Dad and I really enjoyed these walking tacos, and I ended up taking one to my dad for dinner, and my son came and got the leftovers for his family, and we all really enjoyed them. So I hope you make them.